You can mute distractions while ensuring important calls like from family or doctors still break through by assigning them a special bypass setting that overrides silent mode. This keeps your iPhone quiet for general use while prioritizing what matters most. Here's how you enable it. Go back to the home screen and tap Settings. On the next screen, tap Focus. Now select the focus you often use to silence your phone. In this tutorial, we'll use sleep, so tap on it. Under Allow Notifications, tap People and then tap Add People. Choose the contact you want to receive notifications from even with focus enabled, and tap Done in the top right corner. When you go back to the main focus screen, you can also tap Apps and tap Add the app you want to receive notifications from. So now you know how to allow people and apps to bypass the focus you selected. We hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching.